Good morning and welcome to our video on how to find blood lead data from the Environmental Public Health Tracking Network's Data Explorer. You'll want to start by going to epht.health.utah.gov, which brings you to this page. This is our welcome page, where you can find out more about environmental tracking and how to contact us. But to find blood lead data, we're going to start by clicking on EPHT Topics. And then under this tab, Healthy Homes, we'll click Blood Lead, which brings us to our blood lead page. On this page, you'll first see resources and information for the general public, healthcare providers, public health departments, and information on laboratory reporting. All of these sections have information and resources for the different categories provided. Some of them do overlap a bit, but I'm going to show you healthcare providers and the information that we have. So you can see that we have Utah Childhood Blood Lead Screening Recommendations, a blood lead disease plan, reporting requirements for blood lead, and more. There's also a child lead risk questionnaire if you're wondering who should be screened for blood lead poisoning. Let's go back out to our blood lead page. On this page, you can expand any of these tabs to learn about blood lead, explore blood lead data, or discover more about Utah health assessments involving lead. Today, I promised you we would explore blood lead data, so let's go there first. On this first tab, we have data tables, charts, and more detailed information. These are static queries that stay the same no matter how many times you go in and check on them. For example, the Childhood Blood Lead Testing Overview. You can see there's quite a few options. I'm going to go ahead with children tested by test year by number. So this query covers the years 2000 to 2017 and covers quite a range of blood lead level filter. You can see the children's ages are 3 years old to 3 to 5 years old. And here's all the information in a chart and in a data table. Below every data table and chart, you'll find data notes and data sources, and every query that you do will be time-stamped. That's one way to find information. I'm going to go back up to EPHT Topics and out to blood lead again. This time, when I go down to Explore Blood Lead, I'm going to create a custom data query. This time, let's do % of children tested under 3 and 3 to 5 years old. This starts with an agreement to use our data. Please do read through this thoroughly when you go through to create your own custom query. The overview tells you more about lead and shows you how to get started. Every single one of these steps is customizable. We're going to start with step 1 and select the years that we would like to see. I'm going to try to go all the way up to 2000 and then easily select all the years by scrolling down to 2017 and holding down Control-Shift before I click on 2017. As you can see, this has selected all the years between 2000 and 2017 inclusive. Okay, I'm not going to pick any of the other ones except step 5, select blood lead level. Let's go 5 to 9 and 10 to 14.9. This will limit our search a bit, but it will give us a clearer picture of those who are just above the injury reporting rule range. Okay, now we're going to skip down to step 8, select geographic area. It's on the default, which is all Utah counties. If you want to limit it, you can choose. If you want to take 2 or 3 counties to compare, simply click on Davis or the county that you want. Hold Control and then click on the other counties that you want to compare with Davis. This will let you do all or some, but actually I think for now we'll just do all counties. Step 9 is very important. This is going to let you display the data in either an interactive map or by a chart. Today I would like to show you how to create a geographic area map. When you click on Display By, go all the way down to Geographic Area and leave everything else alone in its default set. Then simply click Submit And now we have a map. All right, here's our map. Now these maps are really cool because you can see when you hover over a county, it gives you the information up in the left-hand corner. Another cool thing you can do with these maps is use the base map, the overlays, and change the choropleth. On the overlays, you can label your counties, or if you know which counties they are and you just want to see what local health district they're located in, you can label them by local health district. Also, this is only giving us 3 levels of data. In this lower left-hand corner, you can see the levels of data. So we're going to change the categories. We're going to crank it all the way up to 7. So this is really defining the different blood lead levels and showing us the differences between counties. As with before, underneath the chart, we have a data table. We have our data notes and our data sources. And like I told you, everything is going to be date time stamped. One last way to find blood lead data from the home page, and instead of going to EPHT topics, let's go to Data Portal. We want to go to Data Queries Index, and over here there is a link for blood lead levels. These queries lead you back to creating your own custom query. This time let's go through quickly. We'll leave everything default except for step 11, how to display the data. This time I'm going to display it in a graph with year. We'll group by geographic area, and we will do this in a vertical bar. Click Submit, and here's what we get. So this is all the children tested for 2017 by county. Underneath our chart, as I said, there is a data table. And can you guess what's going to be down here? You're right, it's data notes, data sources, and the query date timestamp. If for any reason you use our information and you need to cite it, you'll see Legal as a section with a Web Citation tab. Clicking on Web Citation tab will give you all the different examples of the ways that you can cite our information. Have a great day, and we'll see you for more tutorial videos. You can follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, or you can just come right to our website, epht.health.utah.gov. Thanks.